Hello friends, my name is Anuja and I am a certified medical coder. In today's video, I am going to review one of the most renowned medical coding institutes to help you decide whether you should begin your CPC exam preparation journey with them. But before I jump into the actual review, I want to share the 10 important points that I will consider in this review series. This will help you understand exactly what matters when choosing the right institute. First, I will talk about the accreditation and recognition of the institution. Is it officially recognized? Is it aligned with industry standards like AAPC guidelines? Next, I will review whether the curriculum is updated and detailed. Does it cover the latest coding guidelines? Is it aligned with current CPC exam patterns? I will also evaluate the teacher's experience. Are they certified coders themselves? Do they have real industry exposure? I will also check whether they provide hands-on training, real-life case studies, and practice exercises as a part of curriculum. I will speak about the exam, CPC exam preparation, all support that you get from the institution, internship and job after completion of the course, access of updated coding books. If yes, for how long? Is it for a limited time or is it for a lifetime? Do they provide access to updating coding books? I will also be talking about delivery options, whether is it online, offline or hybrid. I will also analyze reviews from past students, whether they are successfully cleared the AAPC CPC exams. Finally, I will evaluate whether the course fee is justified, the duration is appropriate, flexible payment options are available. So now let's begin the review. Okay, let's start with the review. We have MIIT Global Services and they have various medical coding courses, out of which postgraduate diploma in medical coding is there, and it is aligned with AAPC guidelines. Now let's check the course, what all are included. If we talk about the subjects, they have CPT, ICD-10, CM, HIPICS, and these are the most important topics to be covered to be a medical coder. So this is the advantage. Also, they are making you prepare for CPC exam. Also, mock question paper practice. This will be helpful for you further before giving any medical coding exam. So this is the advantage. And the mode of training for this course is classroom based and also online. Okay, overall the course is good. It is well aligned. The curriculum is also good, but AI part is missing, and the AI is the most advanced topic to be covered to be a medical coder. Now let's rate this institute according to these parameters. Accreditation and recognition, as it is aligned with AAPC, so I would rate it 1. Updated and comprehensive curriculum, they have updated curriculum, but AI part is missing, and AI is the advanced topic to be covered, so I would rate it 0.2. Qualified and experienced instructors, nothing was mentioned about the instructors, so I would rate it 0. Practical training and case studies, okay, practical training is there, so I would rate it 1. Certification exam preparation support, yes, they are making you prepare for AAPC and CPC exams, so I would rate it 1. Internship and job placement assistance, they are not talking anything about the job placement, so I would rate it 0. Access to updated coding books and software, they have advanced code books, so I would rate it 1. Flexible learning options, offline and online, both they have, so I would rate it 1. Student reviews and success rate, it was not listed, so I would rate it 0. Course fees, duration and payment option, they haven't mentioned anything about this, so I would rate it 0. Okay, so the overall ranking we have here is 5.2. And as per me, this is a good course, but AI part is missing. Also, they are not talking anything about the internship and placement. So as per me, I will not suggest this institute. But if you are serious about your career, then I have already mentioned one of the best medical coding institute in the description. You may check it out. That institute covers all these parameters and gives you 100% placement guarantee. And as per me, that institute is a 10 on 10 in terms of practical exposure and advanced learning. So you may check it out. So that was it. Thank you so much for watching.